Hi, my name's Phil and I am the director of a limited company, but part of the limited company is Lullaby Lane Baby Shop. And we are a baby shop that's all online at the moment. We personalise a lot of children's clothing as well, including hats. Hats are our best seller, everyone's buying our personalised baby hats. Because the lovely British made hat, it's definitely helped me thinking about what the business is, because I had a Facebook page and Instagram page way before I met Be More Social. And I posted quite regularly and I thought I was doing a good job. And I went on a course, I thought I don't really need to do this because I know what Facebook is and all this. But I went on the course and I was really impressed because I thought, well, actually I'm making these posts every day and I get very little reaction or engagement from people. It made me sort of think. And then I went backwards a step and thought, it made me think about what we actually did. Because I've always sort of skipped from one job to another. I've never actually done the basics. And what we actually did a mission statement. They said, do a mission statement. And I should have done this probably when I was setting the business up. But I thought, well, this is what we do. And then penny started to drop with me. And I thought, yeah, I need to really push this because this is good stuff. And then it made me start to think about what we are as a brand. And I'd never thought about this before. And straight away, we started to rebrand and everything became more professional, and it changed the website, brought the branding in from all the sort of little videos I'd watched on Be More Social and with talks from the guru, and it gave me much more of a professional approach. And then the post started to work and everything started to fall together, and it really has been a beneficial thing for me. Well, it's great because you can either email or also on the one-to-ones, and I can sort of bounce. She gives me ideas. I mean, I'm with Abby and she gives me ideas, and I think when I first started I thought, well, that's just a bit lame, I thought sometimes, you know. But then I've got it, she was right, because all I was trying to do was I was trying to sell on my posts, and that was it. I was trying to survive at some point, and I was trying to sell, and then that's not what it's about, is it? I use my adverts to sell now, but now the posts on Facebook are social, and we're getting so much more reaction, which then of course leads to sales anyway, but I was doing it the wrong way. And it really has made me think about, you know, the effective way of doing it, rather than just wasting my time sticking on a post that nobody reads. We've talked a lot about branding, and branding's been a big development this year. And the sort of different sorts of posts that we can get engagement with. And she's bounced ideas, and the posts that work are the posts that I've initially thought, oh, that's not going to work, but they're the ones that work. And now we've been able to adapt those posts that actually, so it's doing things like posts with that's asking a question that's quite a relevant question to the audience. We're getting that reaction, but then we can also put in some of our imagery. So it's doing both jobs, and it's actually being seen by people, and people are commenting and sharing. So it's really, really working. It's been really useful. When I first started, I used to say it was tumbleweed. Every time I put something on, it was just deathly silence, tumbleweed. I thought, what have I got to do to make them react? And then there were one post I put on, and I just thought, and it was just dead simple. How much does your baby weigh? The average newborn weighs such and such. How much does your baby weigh? That post went viral. And I just couldn't, my phone was pinging all night, people commenting, sharing on that post. And that's when the penny dropped. That was, I think, the major breakthrough for me, was realising it's as easy as that. And now, we still get tumbleweed, it still happens now and then, but we're quite happy to accept that, because we know the posts to put out and when to put them out that's going to get the engagement. Well, I think I would certainly recommend it. There's a wealth of videos on the website that, I mean, I dip into them. I wish I had more time to look at them all, but the ones that I've sort of looked through, there's so much information in the background, as well as your guru talks, that you can dip into for certain elements of what you're doing that can be so useful. I would certainly recommend things don't happen overnight, but it gives you a starting point, and as long as you're prepared to put the effort in yourself as well, it's a no-brainer. It really is. Have a go, chance your arm. Don't think it's the magic answer. You've got to do something yourself, but there's so many good ideas, and I certainly recommend it. certainly have a go. Have a go, whatever your level of. I mean, on some of the guru meetings we have with, there's people of varying experience on social media, and I've seen some of the people I used to watch, just have a go, just do it, and they're sort of dithering around and they have a go. And over the year I've seen other people growing in confidence as well, and their Facebook and so, well, LinkedIn, all the social media, I've seen they're getting results as well.